Safety is one of our core values, and we continuously explore innovative digital solutions to reduce our team's exposure to operational risk. One powerful example is the use of drones. It helps us avoid the time our teams spend working at height in confined space during inspections. On our FPSO, inspections are carried out every 2.5 years.
We have developed an innovative approach to transform the way we do inspections, thanks to the Hull Digital Inspection project. It is a remote inspection and digitalization process that begins by sending a drone equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR sensors into the water ballast tank with no man entry. The drone pilot remains safely outside of the tank. The drone navigates the confined space according to a predefined flight path, capturing detailed video footage and building a comprehensive 3D model of the tank structure. The captured videos are analyzed by an automatic process for corrosion detection, and the corrosion spots are automatically located in the 3D model. This set of tools based on AI allow our inspectors to identify the exact location of corrosion defects without physically entering the tank.
Our first test was conducted in December 2023 on Girasol FPSO in Block 17. And more recently, we ran another test in Block 32 with further improvement, including the ability to perform integrity measurements. If any unusual measurement or image is detected, a visual inspection is then promptly conducted to confirm the observation